Any vehicle. Tamatong ko LT bukti ko because vehicle moving, no driver inside. Sinloray. Kung kila ko de.
Rakaso.
Rakaso. Tamata mula-mulang ko riya. That's a fala LT stop bukta kanom do lorry. Only moving vehicle can't see the driver.
That's the first ever kind of booking in Fiji.
First ever booking in Fiji. Where's the driver? The driver inside me driver pada pana toso pada pana lorry. Ninsi ko na driver. No, we can't see. To mango. Roto senga ni redong kita yung kirebe ko may smile. Pusin berel ke wow Colgate smile. Navali berkaso kesengoy vayan rebe ko lolom sanata na be ko Michael si madar kemro sota ni kuase.
Are the fella said good morning to me when I came in the morning?
Oy ko kiro sota mo ngoy lolom sana rebe me. Kimada na matagal.
Are I came in the morning, the fella stopped over at my house. The fella said good morning to me.
Acha ko ba. Acha ko sabi tungo na chiko na dabago na Paris 7 but na Flying Pigeon gitu this week na Michael.
Flying Pigeons and a June test.
Bap.
June test, the first one will be at the stadium on Saturday, Babu.
Semiranda na sala ko may.
Semiranda will be in Fiji on Sunday. Kokasana singing gito on the first June test, maybe on the second one.
Ko sa sinila ko na ko de sala ko France nang kono ko sindo na to may kasa
Kunatani.
Sala ko may kunatani.
Ha?
Kunatani batakena alusyon nanduba.
Michael bap nito team sa chiko so na yada na kuna semi kuna tani the beast right bad gini eroni saw the sledgehammer bam bab ge chiko semi randra to kali ko na semi trailer right bad gini ge tutaleo Joshua tu soba the bus bam bab ke do sotavi na beast na bus na trailer wat kay na hema bab na tuki-taki nga wala lo maray ba
this week sala ko may kino semi kunatani in Paris semi kunatani but kay Alosio Nanduba I think Tuisova and Ranran Babu sa Lakomay Vici bala to corona na raw sa chiko ba na timini Flying Pigeons for the June test
yung bata ba
nakarawa isiya sa chiko
Vici
Magali balitan ko nung favorite player na all the Fiji players. You saw sa above the
knee
ko na tagan above the nasabang ko si Clown do be cheta ki rasaranga. Above the badge of honor.
Kausa reda na bal ni kada man tawa ke restaurant isuba kausa reda almost all the Flying Pigeons they lining up they want to taste the lemnek curry korto sabi kanana ika michi
kausa reda ko na magede are kada ko sin giriyo I'm just around the corner next to the public convenience you should have called me red word gini
meta me kita ko ko berturo tim
Kaya may batal ka squad.
Kung may bagara durutan. Ngikila reda Susan tamo kaya way halfback.
Korto most of the rugby players from the Flying Pigeons korto sa kana juga na makete na no korto na pedeli ato kede na Flying Pigeons
pedeli to na novo
pedeli na novo member de munian ko na Goda me kadi ba kana John McKee me kadi ba kana line up on Saturday these are your lineup for the Flying Pigeons who will be playing this Saturday Pedeli Yato
Pedeli Nanovo.
Pedeli Nanovo.
Pedeli, kinda dal pedeli. Sengay. Maki, I never trained for the team yet. I trained for the supermarket. Muni anggon.
Dito tingko ko Pedeli. Dito.
Kwentong gitu. Kenapa kwentong gitu?
So paano ni pinakababu to all the Flying Pigeons team?
Paano ni pinakabair to na Flying Pigeon to so tabi Samoa na Madamaingo.
Madongo.
Okay, Madongo.
And a roacho nangito on this Saturday. The first one will be at 1 o'clock Babu, Georgia versus Tonga. And then at 3:30 Fiji, Flying Pigeons versus Samoa.
Okay, binakabakali po Roya Sangay Donia ya? Natukutuku ya? Ana, right ba gini?
Sangay Donia ya. Kuko so na time sabi bosa babichi.
Sangay Donu.
Sangay Donia.
Sangay Donia. Sa Fiji playing Samoa. What time again, Magali?
3:30.
3:30. Before that is
1 o'clock Georgia versus Tonga.
So come to the National ANZ Stadium. in the Fiji black and white blue color.
Yeah.
Red white gini may cita ka na team ni Viti red white gini.
And also in the weekend in Paris.
Kito soli tikite saranga talanga may kini.
Ay?
Kito soli tikite talanga.
Tikite ko din bisa mo na tikite.
Nene kito soli Viti FM sini soli chiko sona tikite.
Sangay for the junte sa sangay chuko so na tikite.
Are men mlaku manda Mr. John O'Connor sa tamanda. Amen kere John O'Connor.
Kung sa raw kere mo da John O'Connor on behalf of the VDFM and the listeners.
Right now may kini.
Yeah, right now.
Mr. John O'Connor and FRU and Fiji Rugby Union and and on behalf of the VTFM, I am requesting that you please give some giveaway tickets, about 5,000 tickets.
5,000 tickets bisa sanganin doon sa Mindua.
We will promote it in a very apprehended manner and with very much apprehension.
We will make sure that all the 5,000 tickets to be given away and recorded on our
time in a balance sheet, and debit and credit will be also taken, and so yali kita sini. No, Mr. John O'Connor, bilang na tikita me nito listeners raw ni Leisarang gito kila on behalf of VTFM, not kila John O'Connor.
No, may sasuli sa mga FRU 5,000 tickets.
At sabi na kapakalev, binabalev Mr. John O'Connor, no, you gonna give it to VTFM, so na mata sini raw ni kila so manatigita nila ni kitoran ni
support ka na flying
support ka na Fiji, because we are all the way just like the flying Fijian.
Okay, thank you very much, Babu. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.
Na Babu the Meme, na makay na singa ni Mataka, Vito Koni kay Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready?
Ni kundi lang kami sa O'Connor ni sulang nga manatikite. Ebi tayo kaya baka chini si Rosang Abul na kaya na isa, kung kayo muso nga may na kaya na isa o Babu.
Sagaw no.
Sa suli mo na bebe 20 ticket Mr. O'Connor, ang ganda bebe total of like $200. Kaya muso may na kaya mo isa na.
Business is already slack, right?